So this video is about getting intraday, just getting the daily data into Wealth Lab. And well, it appeared to be that by default on the Yahoo, you get the Yahoo data set, right? So by default, right after you install Wealth Lab, you get the Yahoo data already in here. And if you want, you can use the Yahoo, and it's just there. And basically, you just go create new data set, and you click Yahoo, and here you can select the symbols from predefined classes. And there are like a lot of sectors. You choose, energy or whatever, and then you go oil, and well, or you can just enter a symbol like that, and it'll give you, for example, Apple, right? And click next, and there you got it, right? So that's like one way you get a data set, a daily data set, right? The other way you get a daily data set is Google, right? And Google is not here by default, so in order to get it, you're gonna have to go to the Wealth Lab website, log in, and download an extension. And the extension looks like this. So it's in the extensions, and just type Google like that, and Google find a static streaming provider. Click download, and it downloads. And after it downloads, you just double click the file, and it will pop up right here that it's installing. It's gonna install and ask you to restart Wealth Lab. After you restart Wealth Lab, it's gonna appear, create new data set. It's gonna appear right here. Alright, so, and after that, you can use Google Finance. If you're not subscribed to Wealth Lab, if you haven't purchased Wealth Lab, I think you're not going to be able to download any providers, right? Okay, but if you're using Wealth Lab for free, for the trial, you're going to have Yahoo, okay? So for Google, right here, go ahead and do the same, type in whatever symbol you want, Apple, and you're going to get it just like that. Here it goes, Apple Daily, 3 years from Google. Okay, and if you want to update the data set, you go Tools and Data Manager. It actually updates kind of on a daily basis just when you double click it, but make sure it's set here, update data, and you just put a click right here, right? So it does that. So you can see that when you select it, it says automatically update data for symbols on demand when they are charted or assessed, right? So that means that when you assess it, when you double click on a symbol like that, like this, right? So it's gonna update the symbol, right? So you can do it like that, or if this is turned off, and because you have a slow internet connection, you just select it here, and you go data. Actually, not here. Here, data sets. You select Google. The one we created is called 111, and you just go update data set, and it's gonna run an update. Okay, so that's one thing about data sets, daily data sets, Google and Yahoo. So that's about it. And if you want to delete it, you just go delete this data set. And if you want to add something, add symbol to this data set. For example, I want to add whatever, right? Whatever symbol, and it just added it, right? Okay, and one more thing you have in preferences about the data sets is the streaming data, right? So if you for example, you're trading, intraday, and you wanted to update every 5 minutes, you have to have it clicked right here, right? So if you have it clicked right here, and you're on a graph, and this is also selected, then it's gonna get updated every 5 minutes, right? Just to make sure you got that all turned on if you're trading intraday. That's about it about the daily data set.